The VDD extension identifies a virtual device driver file containing hardware abstraction code for virtual machine and emulation environments. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install, manage, or troubleshoot these virtual device driver files. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for VDD files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. VDD files are virtual device driver files, providing hardware abstraction for virtual machines and Windows NTVDM DOS emulation subsystem. They contain code that translates hardware requests from guest operating systems or DOS applications to the host system's actual hardware interfaces. VDD files are compiled binary modules implementing virtual hardware interfaces. In the Windows NTVDM context, they provide DOS-compatible hardware emulation for legacy applications. In virtual machine environments, they abstract physical hardware into virtual devices for guest OS access. The reference software for validating VDD integrity is Microsoft Windows from Microsoft Corporation. The file's internal manifest must be processed by a trusted system-level application. Windows safeguards them because the OS cannot function properly without them. Your first move is key. Right-click the VDD file and select Open With. Test with Microsoft Windows if it appears. If it doesn't, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple applications to solve the issue. If you still cannot open your VDD file, that is okay. Before we jump to the universal fix, let's understand why the file is failing. Here are the most common technical reasons you're seeing this error. First, understanding VDD files. VDD files are system-level components, typically installed by operating system's virtual machine software or legacy application compatibility tools. They operate transparently and do not require manual user interaction during normal operation. Next, troubleshooting legacy apps. If DOS applications fail to run properly on modern Windows, the VDD subsystem may be unavailable. Windows 64-bit editions removed NTVDM support. Use DOSBox or a virtual machine running 32-bit Windows for legacy DOS application compatibility requiring VDD functionality. Finally, virtual machine context. In virtual machine environments, VDD files enable para-virtualized device access. Ensure virtual machine guest editions or tools are installed to provide optimized VDD interfaces. Update virtual machine tools to the latest version for best virtual hardware performance and compatibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.